Hello everyone, I've got my student here. His name is Sukhil. He's got a test coming up very soon. We agreed that we're going to record some video session today. It will be some parkings and some general driving today, so you can see and leave a comment and let us know how good driver he is. Is that right, Sukhil?
Sure.
Are we all ready then?
Yeah.
Right, let's drive when you're ready.
Parking mode off. An impact was detected during parking mode.
Straight at the lights, please. When you're driving 20 miles an hour behind someone, how much gap you should have?
2 seconds.
And how many cars that would be in 2 seconds?
Like one car.
One car? Okay. So if that car is front of you, going straight at the lights means. So when we go close to this car, right?
Yeah.
Have a look at their 1 car distance, right? Just here. Let's give an example now. So have a look from that car to this car.
Mm-hmm.
Is there enough space for you to stop if you're driving 20 miles an hour?
Yeah.
If we stop emergency, press the brake so hard, will you be ready to stop?
Be a bit hard, but
You can manage.
yeah.
Right. Okay. So what does your theory says about 2 second gap? How does that work? You can clean the screen wipers on the right. Now, how does it work? 2 second gap, or when you're stopping, it comes under your driving distance, which is your thinking, and then it's the stopping. So it's combined, isn't
Combined.
it? So will that, if we slam the brake,
Mm-hmm.
did you know that he's going to press the brake?
Yeah, we can see from the lights that he's going to
Yeah,
do
and
some
then
action.
you thinking, why is he stopping first?
Yeah.
And then you reacting to stop. So will that 1 car would be enough space?
If it's like a busy road, then it'll be like, won't be like under 20 miles an hour. But if it's a quiet one,
So
then
clean the screen, leave it on. One up. Thank you. Now what does your theory says about that? It says 2 second gap when it's dry. It's not dry now.
yeah. It's
2 second gap when it's dry. So if you're driving 20 miles an hour, that 2 second gap would be 3 cars.
3 cars.
Not just 1 car. But look, here's a 1 car gap. So you're driving 20, he's driving 20, he slammed the brake. I'm not ready to stop.
Yeah.
I'm going straight into the car now. Because my thinking
It's
and then thinking telling me to stop.
Stop. Yeah.
and my stopping is not going to be good enough for me to stop the car there. So it's a 3 cars when you're driving 20 miles an hour. But what happens if it's 30 miles an hour? Them 3 cars goes to double the gap. That's what they said, isn't it?
Yeah.
Left here, please. So that double the gap is 6 cars now. So what happens if you're driving 40 miles an hour? That gap is getting bigger now.
Bigger now.
More faster you go, more gap you will have. Even when you're driving on the motorways, there's a 96 meter gap. And 96 is nearly 30 cars.
30 cars up.
Yes. You're driving too fast.
Too fast.
And all of a sudden someone react. First you're thinking that I need to stop, then you're applying the brake, and then by then you are approaching close to them anyway then. It's important when you're turning left.
The left.
Why is that?
So that we can see if someone is waiting to cross or any car coming.
Car coming from the left side when you're turning left?
Like getting out from the police parking.
No, you just turn left at the lights.
Yeah.
So who's going to come out from the left then?
Either from the garage coming out, cars coming out, or pedestrians.
Who's the most important?
Pedestrians.
Or
cyclists.
cyclists. So you got to look in the mirror when you're turning. Because instead of looking this mirror, you start looking on the right. Right? They have the red lights anyway,
Yeah.
so no one's coming out. When you're turning, left mirror is more important than the right. Safe, we're going to move over to the right lane, please. What is the speed on this road?
30.
Now we'll be going into the leisure centre there, so once we pass this train here, I would like you to give signal, and there's a box in the middle on the right side. Let's go to the box there, please. Signal. And let's go to the box there. Thanks. Go right here now, please. Watch your head. Hey, we're not fall for that now today. End of the road, we turn left, please. And then just stop here on the left. Yeah, the empty here.
Then?
Just here. Someone's already there. Now, what I'd like you to do is a forward bay parking, please. I want you to park the car inside the bay, all 4 wheels. Well, we're going to do right here now.
Right.
No, to the right side here. we're doing a forward parking, yeah?
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought backward.
Okay, so this car going, so let's go ahead of this Jeep there, then we have plenty of space on both sides. Okay, let's do the forward bay park, please. Okay.
A little bit closer to this side.
Okay.
Little bit.
So if you have to fix it, how would you do it?
Take reverse.